Hey there, wonderful viewers. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves across India, the revised Income Tax Bill 2025. Buckle up, because this isn't just another boring tax update, it's a complete overhaul of the system that's been in place for over 6 decades. So, picture this, on August 11, 2025, the Indian Parliament drops a bombshell. They present a brand new version of the income tax bill, just 3 days after scrapping the previous draft. Why the sudden change? Well, a parliamentary select committee went through the old bill with a fine-tooth comb and suggested a whopping 200 changes. Talk about a makeover. Now, I know what you're thinking. Taxes. Can we skip to the good stuff? But trust me, this is the good stuff. This bill is set to shake things up for every single taxpayer in India, and I'm here to break it all down for you in the next few minutes. First up, let's talk simplification. The government's basically taking a sledgehammer to the old, complicated tax law. They're cutting down on the number of sections, using language that doesn't require a law degree to understand, and introducing a single tax year concept. No more juggling assessment year and previous year, hallelujah. But here's where it gets really exciting for us regular folks. The new bill is introducing a progressive tax slab structure that, combined with a revised rebate system, could make income up to 12 Indian rupees lakh tax-free for those who qualify. I know, right? It's like finding an extra 2,000 Indian rupees note in your old jeans pocket, but way better. And it doesn't stop there. For all you homeowners out there, they're finally clearing up that confusing bit about house property income. The 30% standard deduction? It'll now be applied after deducting municipal taxes. Plus, if you've got a home loan, you can now claim that pre-construction interest deduction on both self-occupied and let-out properties. It's like the government's giving your wallet a little hug. Now, let's talk business. If you're running a small or medium-sized enterprise, this bill's got your back. They're increasing the turnover thresholds for presumptive taxation, which is fancy talk for less paperwork, more focus on actually running your business. And for the big corporate players, they're bringing back the deduction for intercorporate dividends. It's like a financial high five between companies. But wait, there's more. The bill is also stepping into the 21st century by addressing the elephant in the room, or should I say, the Bitcoin in the blockchain? That's right. Virtual digital assets are now officially part of the tax code. So if you've been dabbling in crypto, the taxman's officially caught up with the times. For all you charitable souls out there, the bill's got some changes for nonprofits too. They're simplifying things for religious trusts and other organizations, making it easier to focus on doing good rather than drowning in paperwork. And speaking of paperwork, the government's doubling down on that faceless assessment system. It's all about reducing those face-to-face interactions and making the whole process smoother and more transparent. They're also trying to cut down on those endless tax disputes by providing clearer definitions and easing up on penalties for honest mistakes. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but what does it mean for me? Well, let me break it down for you. If you're earning up to 12 Indian rupees lakh, you might find yourself paying 0 taxes. That's right, zilch, nada, nothing. It's like the government's giving you a financial high five. For those of you juggling multiple properties, the new rules on house property income and home loan interest deductions could put more money back in your pocket. And if you're running a business, especially a small or medium-sized one, you might find the compliance process a whole lot easier. But here's the kicker, all these changes aren't just about putting more money in our pockets, although that's a pretty sweet bonus. It's about creating a tax system that's actually user-friendly. Imagine that. A tax code that doesn't require a team of accountants and lawyers to decipher. It's like they're finally speaking our language. And let's not forget about the digital economy. If you've been riding the crypto wave, the government's sending a clear message, they're watching, and they're ready to tax. But hey, at least now there are clear rules to follow, right? Now, I know change can be scary, especially when it comes to our hard-earned money. But this new bill isn't just about changing rules, it's about changing the whole relationship between taxpayers and the government. It's like they're saying, hey, we trust you. Just be honest with us, and we'll make this whole process as painless as possible. Of course, with any big change, there are bound to be some bumps in the road. It might take some time for everyone to adjust to the new system. But from where I'm sitting, it looks like a step in the right direction. A tax system that's simpler, more modern, and actually designed with the taxpayer in mind? Sign me up. So, there you have it, folks, the lowdown on India's revised income tax bill 2025. It's a game changer, a system reboot, a fresh start for India's tax landscape. And the best part? It's set to kick in from April 1st, 2026. That gives us all some time to get our ducks in a row and maybe even celebrate a little. Before I sign off, I want to hear from you. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the potential savings? Worried about how it might affect your business? Or maybe you are just relieved that you might finally be able to do your taxes without getting a headache? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this bill progresses and bringing you all the updates you need to know. Until next time, this is your friendly neighborhood tax explainer, signing off. Remember, taxes might not be fun, but understanding them? That's power in your pocket. Stay savvy, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video.